Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Today I'm sharing my family's favorite chicken Alfredo recipe. We love it and hope you do too. It's so very rich and creamy and easy to make. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
Using 2.5 pounds of skinned chicken breast. Remove the fat if you want. I always remove them and cut them into pieces. Add 2 teaspoons of oil and 1/4 cup of water in your pressure cooker. Place the chicken breast and sprinkle on some salt. Put the cover on and cook on high. Once the pressure builds up, turn the pressure to locking mode. Reduce the heat to medium and cook for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, turn the stove off and leave it till the pressure comes down. Do not throw this chicken broth away. I'm going to use it when I make the Alfredo sauce. Let's make the pasta. Fill the pot with water and add salt and some oil. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. In the meanwhile, take 1 onion and some garlic cloves and chop them finely. Add the pasta to the boiling water and stir to keep it from sticking. Bring the pasta back to a boil. Keep an eye on it, as a trapped foam from the pasta can cause it to overflow. The pasta is ready. It took 6 minutes for me. Place the colander in the sink and drain the pasta. I'm going to make the sauce in this same pot. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil over medium heat. Add chopped onions and fry until it changes color. Into that, add a stick of butter, that is 1/2 cup of butter, and chopped garlic, and fry for 2 minutes. Into that, add a pinch of nutmeg and 1 cup of chicken broth we saved earlier. Add 1 cup of half and half and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper and bring it to a boil. Add 1/2 cup of cream cheese and stir it well. Add chopped baby spinach. I have my sous chef helping me today. He wants to grate some Parmesan cheese, but this is optional. Thank you, sweetie. Now the sauce is getting thicker. At this stage, add the chicken and pasta. Add 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper if you want. My sous chef wants to taste first. How is it, sweetie? You like it? Oh, thank you. All done. Very creamy and tasty. This is one of our all-time favorite dinners. Garlic toast will go well with it.
You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye bye. Stay safe.